Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use transformations to sketch the graph of the function y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. Now, it might not seem super helpful that we're going to be using transformations, but that's because we haven't turned this into the form which is most conducive to doing that. So we're going to be starting with the graph of y equals x squared. We're very familiar with this. This is just the standard parabola. 0, 0, negative 1, 1, and 1, 1, 2, 4, and 4, 2, with this general shape right here. The transformations that we have to do here might not seem obvious, but if we complete the square to take x squared minus 2x plus some value, don't forget the plus 2, and then we have to subtract that value again at the end. Completing the square here, you take the middle term, you divide it by 2, and you square it. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Squared is positive 1, so we add 1 here, we subtract 1 here to keep things even. This is equal to x minus 1 squared plus 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1. So now we can see a little bit clearer what the transformations are. Within the function, we are subtracting 1, which means it's a horizontal shift since it's within the function. Horizontal shift, it is negative, so it's to the right 1 unit. Then outside of the function, there's also subtraction. So therefore it's a vertical shift, also 1 unit. Since it's positive, it's up. So we just have to move all of our key points 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up. So 0, 0 becomes 1, 1. Negative 1, 1 becomes 0, 2. 1, 1 becomes 2, 0. Negative 2, 4 becomes negative 1, 5. And 2, 4 becomes 3, 5. And we can see a similar shape just moved to the right and up. So this is the graph of y equals x squared, and this is the graph of y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2.